Guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel DIY Buddy. As you can see, today we're gonna unbox an Ozar AMC 4988 stainless steel magnetic clamp which I have ordered for my personal use on Amazon. Today we're gonna do a quick unboxing, check the specifications. Let's begin. So as we can see, magnetic clamp. I have ordered two. Let's check what's inside the box. Quickly. Here it is. Looks very small, but definitely does the job, especially when you're welding joints. Welder's magnetic square AMC 4988. So we have two angles on this. You can either do a 45-degree angle or a 90-degree angle. Let's check the specification here. Angle looks good. 90 degrees looks good. As you can see, it is flush. It is flush here. Okay. Let's check for the 45 degrees now. Also looks good. Alright, so if you want to purchase this product, I will put a link in the description. You can purchase this from Amazon. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel. More videos coming up. Thank you and have a magical day.